Everyone. Welcome to this session. So I'm gonna go over what happened in yesterday and day one. I'm not gonna go on the vision side and the mission side of the Qlik. I'm just gonna go what it meant for technical people, the Qlik Connect day one. So what exactly happened was Qlik, as usual, they announced a few announcements, and one I'm really excited, and this is my take on that. That might be different from Qlik, so don't hold for that. So the one best thing was I took few graphs which were very interesting, which is the agentic AI experience. So Qlik is gonna embed the agentic AI through the whole platform. What does it mean? What that means is that it's gonna accelerate the AI experience. For example, you know, all the things as in, it was announced in the session that now you can connect with three things at four things in your discovery agent. So that will be click answers, the structured data, and you can also connect click automl. Now they're gonna call that click predict, and as well as data products. So that will be enabled through the agentic experience. So I'm very excited about that because it will give a lot more space for the other things that are coming in to be embedded in the discovery agent as well as in the AI space. And then the most exciting thing is Qlik has announced its Qlik Open Lakehouse, which will essentially means that, especially when the technical people who are working on the talent cloud side, they needed some data lake, Snowflake or any other data flake, in order to house their data, or even for the staging purposes. That will not no longer will be needed. And then there is a write back thing, that very big feature. It might open the doors to a lot of exciting stuff going ahead. And in terms of the key features, like the technical features, again in the analytics space, so that of agentic AI, I just explained a little bit. That will come, the details will be available more. So I'm just gonna go over very briefly if you have missed the session, so that you can go. So there will be a discovery agent which will enable the structured and unstructured data as well as the predictive data. So it will sit on top of answers, click answers, which will be getting the data from the documents, as well as which is unstructured data, as the structured data, which is the dashboards. And then we will be also be able to get the data from the data products as well. And then there is a multi in terms of click predict or the click auto the multivariate time series analysis is also a very good addition that will enable more complex use cases to be handled. And then the table recipe, this one is very interesting. This one is the kind of replacement of data prep, but it's much more powerful. It will allow us a lot of customized semantics, and uh, a lot and very streamlined approach to, I think that will be, I would, if I say that will what exactly at the moment, which is industry standard, it is gonna go on to that industry standard. And then the right table, that's you can input the data, and that can opens door to a lot of new solutions coming embedded in Qlik. And then finally, not the last, the migration tool, which the Qlik recently acquired, that's going to be available free of cost for all. And in terms of the talent side, another interesting thing that happened is that they have included in the data product side. They have included the data quality rules that you can customize and you can build on top of that. That's really interesting. These rules are very good, and that will become the whole basis of the AI, because if your data is not good, it's not good for anyone. AI or any analysis that you do is not good. So it's gonna ensure on the different pillars that your data is good, and you can customize your data quality rules as per your needs, and you can also customize the data dictionary or the semantic types in order to be more localized and more catered to your organization. As soon as the things get available, I will try to bring some demos to you guys, how you can configure it. So stay tuned, and very excited for the day two as well.